everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1972 Plymouth Cuda. Great car, guys. This is actually a buddy of Leroy's that's owned this car. He's owned this car since 1993, yes. Great car. It's all Pro Toured out. It's got a 408 cubic inch professionally built stroker motor in it. AOD overdrive transmission. Baer 4-wheel disc brakes. Really just a super cool car, guys. Finished in factory lemon twist yellow. It is a Y1 car, and it is a real Cuda. It's not a Baer Cuda, it's a Cuda. Black vinyl interior. It's got centerline wheels. Just a killer car, guys. Again, he's owned it since 1993. About 2012, 2013 is when he did a lot of the upgrades on this car, and really nicely done. Pretty car. You can kind of pick some of the stuff in the paint. There's a couple little cracks in the paint, but very nice, guys. It's got the sport hood. You see that dash in there is nice. Got the deck spoiler. Car's nice and flat down the sides, good rubber, beautiful set of wheels. It's got the 4-wheel disc brakes with the slotted and drilled rotors. I believe his company is called MRI that actually built this motor. He did this in 2012. I do have a receipt on the engine. It's a 408 cubic inch stroker motor, Holley 4-barrel. You can see the air gap, aluminum intake. Set of ceramic headers on it. It's got power rack and pinion steering on it, front and rear sway bars. I think he said he paid like, what did he say for the valve covers? $2,500 or something just for the valve covers, guys. Again, power rack and pinion steering, 4-wheel disc brakes. It's got a overdrive automatic transmission with a 2900 lockup converter on it. Be Cool aluminum radiator. It's got all polyurethane bushings, new wiring harness. Leroy's been pestering him about buying this car, I said, for probably 20 years. Very cool car. Here's your original door tag. Oh, you know what? Go back in here. I forgot to give you a shot of the fender tag. You can see your FY1 yellow. I always put a picture on the website as well. Bucket seats, console. It's got the factory rally dash. $48,388 on the odometer. I have to ask Larry what that is. I didn't ask him. It's got an aftermarket tack in it. The other tack is behind it, but he's running off the other one. Custom sound system in it. Dual exhaust. I can't remember the gear, guys. I'm gonna have to it's completely slipped my memory. Remember the gear, Jay? Do you remember the gear? Doggone it. I know it's a sure grip, guys. I'm gonna have to ask him. I completely forgot. Like I say, do have some of the receipts on the car. I know the engine receipts in there. Battery's been remounted here in the trunk. It's all body color in the trunk like it's supposed to be. New quarters. I think he said they put a new trunk pan in it. I know it's got all Dynamat. Jay said 355 sure grip. And the car's nice underneath. He drives it. He built the car to drive it. So it's not all body color or anything like that. It's still nice and clean. Dual sport mirrors. And this thing runs, guys. I love the way he did that grill. Using the gauges up there. Looks like the fuel gauge is working. I think everything else is down there, guys. This might be LED lights, guys. Yeah, I think those are LEDs. Radio works, blower motor. Yep. Blower motor does work, guys. Yeah, and make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. It's an on-off switch in the back. Have a great day, guys.